The 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, compass, fog lamps, heated front seats, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.